Floating shelves represent one of the ultimate modern woodworking project ideas, merging functionality with aesthetic appeal in a way that enhances contemporary living spaces. The allure of floating shelves lies not just in their sleek design, but in their ability to create an illusion of space, making them particularly appealing for both small apartments and larger homes seeking a minimalist aesthetic. These shelves, which appear to float on the wall without visible brackets, offer a clean, uncluttered look that aligns perfectly with modern interior design trends. This innovative approach to shelving allows homeowners to showcase their personal style through the display of books, plants, art, and decorative items while maintaining an airy, open feel in the room. The versatility of floating shelves makes them suitable for a variety of spaces, including living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and even offices, where they can be used to create functional storage solutions that do not compromise on style. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of floating shelves, the ultimate modern woodworking project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of crafting floating shelves provides woodworkers with an opportunity to exercise their creativity and technical skills. Each shelf can be customized in size, depth, and finish to suit the specific needs of a room or the preferences of the homeowner. Artisans can experiment with different types of wood, such as reclaimed barnwood for a rustic charm or sleek hardwoods like oak or maple for a more modern touch, allowing for a range of design possibilities. The choice of finish can also dramatically alter the shelf's final appearance. A natural oil finish can highlight the wood's grain, while a painted surface can add a pop of color to an otherwise neutral space. This customization aspect not only allows for personal expression, but also ensures that each shelf can seamlessly integrate into its intended environment, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. Moreover, floating shelves are relatively straightforward to construct, making them an ideal project for both novice and experienced woodworkers. The basic design involves cutting the wood to the desired dimensions, creating a hidden mounting system, and finishing the surface to achieve the preferred look. This simplicity in design does not compromise the quality of the final product. In fact, it allows artisans to focus on perfecting the details, such as ensuring that the shelves are level and securely mounted. The satisfaction that comes from building something functional and beautiful with one's own hands is immeasurable, fostering a sense of accomplishment that encourages woodworkers to take on more complex projects in the future. Floating shelves also embody a sustainable approach to woodworking, particularly when artisans choose to work with reclaimed or upcycled materials. The use of previously discarded wood not only reduces waste, but also adds character and history to the finished product. Each piece of reclaimed wood has its own unique story, marked by the knots, grain patterns, and imperfections that tell of its past life. By repurposing these materials into floating shelves, artisans contribute to a more sustainable practice within the woodworking community. Appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who appreciate the value of handmade, eco-friendly products. Alignment with sustainability enhances the marketability of floating shelves, as consumers increasingly seek out items that reflect their values and commitment to the environment. In addition to their aesthetic and sustainability benefits, floating shelves offer practical advantages that contribute to their popularity. They can be installed in various configurations, allowing homeowners to optimize their wall space while providing easy access to frequently used items. In kitchens, for example, floating shelves can be utilized to display cookbooks, spices, or decorative dishware, creating an organized yet visually appealing culinary space. In living rooms, they offer an opportunity to showcase personal collections, art, and photographs, fostering a sense of identity and warmth in the home. This adaptability makes floating shelves a functional addition to any room, proving that woodworking can blend artistry with practicality in a meaningful way. The emotional connection that floating shelves can foster is another compelling aspect of this woodworking project. As artisans create these shelves, they have the opportunity to imbue them with personal significance, whether by incorporating meaningful design elements or by crafting them for specific loved ones. For example, a parent might build a set of floating shelves for a child's nursery, choosing colors and shapes that reflect the child's personality and interests. This emotional investment enhances the value of the shelves, making them not just functional items, but also cherished pieces of the home that hold memories and stories. When these shelves are filled with books, photographs, and mementos, they become a part of the family's narrative, fostering a deeper connection between the space and its inhabitants. Additionally, floating shelves can serve as a canvas for artistic expression beyond mere storage solutions. Artisans can experiment with unique shapes and designs, creating shelves that function as statement pieces in a room. A zigzag shelf design, for instance, can serve as a dynamic focal point, drawing the eye and prompting conversations among guests. This blend of functionality and artistry allows woodworkers to push the boundaries of traditional shelving, redefining what it means to incorporate storage into home decor. The potential for creativity in the design and execution of floating shelves means that artisans can continually challenge themselves, exploring new techniques and styles that keep their work fresh and exciting. Furthermore, the popularity of floating shelves in social media and home improvement shows has contributed to a growing interest in DIY home projects. This trend encourages aspiring woodworkers to embark on their own floating shelf projects, fostering a sense of community among those who share a passion for craftsmanship and home decor. Online platforms provide a wealth of tutorials, inspiration, and support, allowing newcomers to learn from experienced artisans as they hone their skills. This communal aspect of woodworking not only enhances individual projects, but also strengthens the overall appreciation for handmade items, creating a culture that values creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainable practices. Floating shelves are more than just functional storage solutions. They represent the ultimate modern woodworking project that integrates artistry, sustainability, and practicality. The ability to customize designs, utilize reclaimed materials, and foster emotional connections makes floating shelves an appealing choice for artisans and consumers alike. As these shelves enhance the aesthetic of contemporary living spaces while providing practical benefits, they embody the principles of modern design that prioritize functionality without sacrificing beauty. The satisfaction of crafting unique floating shelves, coupled with the potential for income generation and community engagement, positions this woodworking project as a rewarding pursuit that can inspire both personal expression and sustainable living. Ultimately, floating shelves stand as a testament to the enduring appeal of woodworking, showcasing how creativity and craftsmanship can come together to transform everyday spaces into beautiful, functional homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked floating shelves, the ultimate modern woodworking project ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.